Did you know that Shakira was once mocked for her voice, compared to a goat by her peers? From those humble beginnings, she rose to become the queen of Latin pop, captivating the world with her unique voice and electrifying dance moves. Today, we unravel the secrets behind Shakira's enduring charm and how she keeps herself in top shape, inspiring millions around the globe. Shakira's journey to stardom. Shakira Isabel Mebarak Ripoll, born on February 2, 1977, in Barranquilla, Colombia, is not just a global music icon, but also a songwriter, actress, and philanthropist. Her name, Shakira, means grateful in Arabic. Raised in a Catholic household and attending Catholic schools, she showed early signs of her musical genius. At just 4 years old, she wrote her first poem, La Rosa de Cristo. This early start in writing soon turned her poems into songs. Shakira's first encounter with the downbeat drum in a local restaurant sparked her passion for performing, especially belly dancing, which became a signature element of her performances. By the age of 13, Shakira's talent caught the attention of Monica Ariza, a local theater producer, who helped her audition for Sony Colombia. This led to a recording deal for 3 albums. While her first 2 albums didn't make a big splash, her third album brought her into the limelight with 6 hit singles. By 1996, she embarked on her first international tour, and in 1997, she won 3 Billboard Latin Music Awards. Her 4th album was a huge success, partly inspired by a dramatic incident where a suitcase containing her written lyrics was stolen at an airport. In 2000, her first English album helped establish her presence in the North American market, turning her into the most successful Latin female crossover artist. Which Shakira song pops into your mind first? Is it the energetic Waka Waka or the mesmerizing Hips Don't Lie? Share your favorite in the comments below. Her life off the stage. Shakira has not only created a name for herself in the music industry, but also in her personal life. She married Gerard Piqué, a professional footballer, and together they share adorable moments, making dance videos with their 2 children, which have captured hearts worldwide. Despite early criticism of her singing style, Shakira turned these challenges into her trademark, with her vibrato and unique voice becoming beloved features of her music. She often reminisces about how she was denied a place in the school choir because her voice was deemed too overwhelming for the choir's harmony. Shakira's diet routine. Shakira believes in nourishing her body with balanced and fresh meals, ensuring she gets all the nutrients she needs without skipping any meals. Her diet is about small but nutrient-rich meals that keep her full and energized throughout the day. Breakfast. Shakira starts her day with a breakfast that's both tasty and nutritious. She often enjoys scrambled eggs, cooked softly with a touch of olive oil for a smooth texture, or a sliced avocado seasoned with a sprinkle of sea salt and topped with ripe cherry tomatoes for a fresh burst of flavor. To boost her energy, she blends a smoothie packed with blueberries, strawberries, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder, along with spinach or kale mixed with a spoonful of green superfood powder for extra vitamins. Lunch. For lunch, Shakira opts for grilled salmon or baked tilapia, known for their healthy omega-3 fats and high-quality protein. She accompanies her fish with a side of steamed broccoli, sauteed asparagus, or a mix of bell peppers for a colorful and crunchy addition. Sometimes, she prefers a large salad with mixed greens, including arugula and romaine, tossed with vibrant veggies like sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and red onions, drizzled with a lemon vinaigrette for added zest. Afternoon snack. Shakira's snacks are all about keeping things light yet flavorful. She enjoys a warm bowl of artichoke soup, blended with leeks and seasoned with a hint of ginger for a subtle spice. Another favorite is a simple but refreshing snack of cucumber slices, which she sprinkles with lemon juice and a dash of salt for a quick pick-me-up that hydrates and satisfies. Dinner. Dinner is Shakira's time to unwind with a meal that's fulfilling but not too heavy. She often has grilled chicken breast or a piece of seared tuna, which provide lean protein. Alongside, she'll have a mix of sautéed vegetables like zucchini, yellow squash, and red bell peppers, which adds sweetness and a soft texture. This combination helps her maintain muscle while ensuring she gets a good night's sleep. Cheat meals. Even Shakira has her moments of indulgence, which are all about enjoying life's flavors without going overboard. When she wants to spice up her diet, she might have a grilled pork chop, marinated in herbs and garlic for extra taste. She believes in the joy of eating and understands that an occasional treat, like a slice of rich chocolate cake or a small portion of creamy pasta, helps keep her balanced and happy. Shakira's workout routine. Shakira's fitness routine is a mix of dance, strength training, and HIIT, high-intensity interval training, crafted by her trainer and friend, Anna Kaiser. This blend helps her maintain stamina, agility, and that famous Shakira charm. Weekly routine overview. Monday. She starts the week with 90 minutes of Anna Kaiser's signature dance interval workouts, which combine dance with intense fitness training. Tuesday. Shakira dedicates Tuesdays to a full-body workout, focusing on lower body, lunges, squats, leg presses, extensions, curls, calf raises, glutes kickbacks, hip extension and thrusts. Upper body, bicep curls, dumbbell curls, bench press, chest press, lateral raise, shoulder press, lat pull down, cable rows, tricep push down, and extension. Abs, crunches, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, side planks, and regular planks. Wednesday, midweek, she switches to a 30-minute HIIT circuit, including burpees, squats, jumping jacks, running burpees, jump rope, mountain climbers, leg raises, push-ups, and lunges. Thursday. Even the most disciplined need rest, and Thursdays are Shakira's day to recharge and recover. Friday. She resumes her workout with strength and toning exercises, focusing on building muscle and enhancing her core stability. Saturday. Another round of her 30-minute HIIT circuit to keep the energy high as the week winds down. Sunday. Shakira wraps up her week by swimming for 30 minutes, a great way to stay fit and cool down. In the evening, she does a strength workout with her trainer via FaceTime. Staying healthy inside and out. Shakira's approach to fitness is about consistency and adding personal twists to her workouts, making them enjoyable and effective. She believes in working out daily, with a dedicated rest day for recovery. In addition to her physical routine, Shakira takes great care of her skin. Her skincare regimen is surprisingly simple: vitamin C serum and sunscreen. This minimal approach, combined with her healthy lifestyle, free from smoking and drinking, keeps her looking and feeling fantastic.